Hey guys, it's Ariana Rubieska. If you're new here, welcome. I talk all about stocks, real estate, and just entrepreneurship in general. In today's video, we'll be talking about NFTs. Before I get into it though, let me go ahead and promote all my socials. Linked in the description is my website where you can book Zoom meetings with me if you want to get started with stocks, crypto, or even with NFTs. I do mentorships for all of the above. I meet on Zoom with you and I take you through the entire process from step 1 to the very last step. If you're interested, that'll all be linked down below in the description. And that's it for the intro though. Let's get started. First things first, what is an NFT? NFT stands for a non-fungible token. But what the hell is that? In simpler terms, NFTs are like digital art. Just like physical art can be bought and sold for a higher price, so can digital art. For example, one of the most expensive NFTs, which is called Every Days, the first 5,000 days, was sold for $69.3 million. So yeah, NFTs are a legitimate way to make money as both a creator and a buyer. NFTs are so great because they've made it possible for creators, for artists, to get paid more if they sell in a digital form. As a buyer, the best way you can ensure that you will profit is by getting whitelisted for a popular NFT project. Getting whitelisted basically means you're getting put into a list which guarantees first dibs. The tricky part though is finding a popular project, which towards the end of the video I will share the project that I got whitelisted for. This is my very first NFT project that I got whitelisted for. It is one I strongly believe in, so stay tuned towards the end where I will give more detail on it, or you guys can just skip through it. So how do NFTs make your money grow? Like I said before, you can make money with NFTs. It is the same process that people buy shoes for retail price at $150 and then resell them for like $300 plus. NFTs have their own market. Whenever something has its own market, it means it has greater value than just providing use. This is something you can buy in hopes of the value going up. And it is all done through the website OpenSea.io. So obviously to make money with an NFT, you have to sell it. And to sell an NFT, there's going to be a button available where it says sell. From there, you can customize the duration of the sell as well as the initial price or fixed price that you want the sell to start at. The more demand there is of an NFT, the easier it is for you to sell it. That is why it is super important to buy NFTs that are popular and can hold their value. So how do you buy an NFT? You're going to use that same website, OpenSea.io. You're going to go to the very top right corner where it says open new account. From here, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to have to connect a wallet to be able to create your account on OpenSea. If you guys have not watched my cryptocurrency video on like how to invest in cryptocurrency, I have the little pop-up right here. But basically, a wallet is where you keep your digital money. So the reason why you're connecting your wallet is just to buy NFTs, right? Because there's no way to actually buy them without the money. So yeah, your wallet is just connected because of that. So there's gonna be MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, and Fortmatic. And like you can do show more options. There's gonna be so many more, but I use MetaMask. Coinbase wallet is also pretty popular. Just use whatever you have. From there, you're gonna transfer your Ethereum into your wallet if you don't already have Ethereum on there. From there, you can just search up the NFT you want to buy, and you have the option to either buy now or make an offer. Not all NFTs have these two options. Majority of them will have just make an offer, but if you do have buy now, probably better because you don't have to wait for your offer to get accepted. So how do you know what NFTs to buy? This is probably the most difficult part about NFTs, knowing which one to buy. First, let's go over the top characteristics that I believe make your NFT a good investment. Number 1, it is popular or has high demand. And the way to check this is by going through their Discord, checking how many members they have, check their Twitter, how many followers they have, what's their engagement, check YouTube, like just search up the project and see what videos have been made of that project. Check Twitter, not the NFTs Twitter, but just search up the name on Twitter and see what people have been saying about the project. Check TikTok. Also, Google. There's always a bunch of articles on different NFT projects, so see where it is at with that popularity. Number 2 is that you can use it for more than just a collective. For example, there are some NFTs that have video games attached to it. Others have like tickets to events, tickets to concerts, entry to giveaways, clothing, real estate, and so much more. Number 3 is that the website is beautifully made. Like, you can actually trust putting your money into this project based off the way the website is made. Now, be super careful. There have been many NFT projects that have just scammed people. So be sure you are doing your research with checking every little thing about that website. Number 4, the roadmap is clear and direct. The roadmap is basically the NFTs. Well, it's kind of self-explanatory, just basically the entire plan of the NFT and like what you will experience with the creators for being invested in this NFT, as well as the social media pages. Make sure they are all clear and direct. And like I promised, I'm gonna let you guys know about the NFT I'm currently whitelisted for. So it's called CloudCats. This NFT so far has over 12,000 Discord members in less than 1 month, I'm pretty sure. I got whitelisted because I was one of the first 100 Discord members. In addition, this NFT is being promoted by a bunch of popular creators on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, which to me, that shows that it's only going to continue to keep that popularity up. So this NFT was created by Ozgod on TikTok. If you guys haven't seen his videos, check him out. He's so freaking funny. Like, I enjoy watching his videos.
Excuse me? What are you doing in the trash?
First of all, you don't have enough perspective because I'm gonna flip this on Facebook Marketplace that I found on the trash, which is actually my treasure.
The rest of his team are Eli Mack on YouTube. I have not watched his videos, but I for sure will start watching them because, you know, he's part of the NFT project that I believe in. And he's in charge of marketing. Hector, who is the Discord server manager, and Nifty Mango, who is the artist or the designer of the NFT. So shout out to them. They're doing an amazing job. I'm also one of the creators that is promoting this NFT project, but so far, like, based off everything Ozgod has told me, it's going amazing, dude. Like, I am so proud of everything this team has made so far, and I see the future's bright. Not to mention, this project has not even dropped yet, so we're all still early on it. I let you guys know still early on it. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, I let you guys know when there was like only 20 people on the Discord. Guys, I just want to let you know this is not financial advice or anything, but I would never put something out that I myself don't trust. So CloudCats is gonna go crazy. You guys need to hop on. For those of you that listened to me and hopped on it, happy for you guys. We're now whitelisted. Look at the Discord, dude. Like, there's 12,000 members. That's crazy. So yeah, super happy for us all. We stay winning. And you know, we're still early. I'm still here to let you guys know on YouTube. Get on this project ASAP. There's so many other ways to get whitelisted, but that should be your main goal right now, to get whitelisted to CloudCats. The mint date isn't until January 15, 2022. The mint date basically means the day where all people who are whitelisted receive the NFT for the mint price. And the mint price is the price that we're buying for way before the NFT ever goes public on OpenSea. In other words, those that are whitelisted get the NFT for 0.07 Ethereum. That's the mint price. Guaranteed, since we are getting it way before it is ever listed in the marketplace to buy or sell. And 0.07 Ethereum, just for reference, is equal to about 200 to 300 US dollars. Alright, so let's take a look at the website. So I just searched up CloudCats NFT, and it should be the first one. And oh my goodness, straight off the bat, it already looks so great. Oh, I've already seen this website. I don't know how I'm acting like that, but it looks awesome, dude. Like, every time I go in here, I love it so much. And look at the cursor, guys. Like, it's not the little mouse cursor, it's like a little cross. And here you have the countdown: 20 days, 18 hours, 17 minutes, and like 20 seconds until the drop. So this is gonna be CloudCats NFT. See, it's dropping on January 15 of 2022, and it's gonna be 5,000 cats. So here's the team, right? Like I said, Osgod is right here. And here's the marketing guy, Eli Mack. Manager's Hector, or server manager is Hector, and the designer is Nifty Mango. You guys can learn more about them on here. And then this is so cute. Like every time I read this, I don't know, it's just so cute. But yeah, here, I'll read it out loud to you guys. We are a team of highly motivated young entrepreneurs with a huge future to forge out ahead into. We pledge to never, ever, ever stop creating value for our community, and we're able to keep grinding towards that promise on much longer time scale. We are on the horizon of mass consciousness, realizing major technological disruption, and innovative leaders are fast creating the future of learn, create, play through building super immersive environments and engaged communities. Collaborating across the globe, our team's simple object is to add value to the overall architecture by demonstrating the power of Web 2/3.0 and bringing in the next wave of bright minds into this revolution of culture, economics, technology, and connection. W team, W community, W art, W life, let's fucking go. And then this is where you can get whitelisted. Look at this, so cool, so cool. Facts, mint button will be available on January 15, 2022. The collection will be on OpenSea. There is more info in our Discord. You can reach out to us there. You must protect yourself online. You must, I don't know what the heck that is, but okay. And then this is a cyber crime game. Fan-made Flappy Cat. Oh, you guys should play this. I played this. It was pretty fun. And I guess high scores get whitelisted. So here are other ways to get whitelisted. Your NFT, fan-made CC Racer. So your NFT on skyscrapers in the metaverse. CloudCats NFT T, like a t-shirt. This one's pretty cool too. Go here, you can buy a t-shirt. It's like $33. I think I'm gonna buy one soon too. But yeah, let's go over that roadmap real quick. So the phase 1, it's already been done. Well, some of it has already been done, whereas the Discord launches and community influencers NFT design. So then there's gonna be major influencers joining, sellout project, holders get IP rights, create the meme coin, more utility. Right, so just off phase 1, they're gonna create a meme coin, and their entire goal here is just basically get the word out there, sell out the project. Phase 2, this is where we start getting rewarded a little more, right? Merch with NFTs on it, 280,000 in community fund. When you buy a NFT, CloudCats NFT, you get to donate to that community fund. So that 280,000 community fund goes towards that. CloudCats enter the metaverse, investigate cat charity. So we're gonna be giving some money to charities. Founders match holders donation amount. Onboard some main holders to core team. People that are invested in it can also join the main team. Phase 3, there's a casino metaverse integration, metaverse exclusivity, sports card giveaway, and then we all go gather in Miami, New York, London, then the moon. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. This is the roadmap, pretty straightforward. So if you guys want to join me to be a part of this amazing investment, check out the description below to join the Discord for this NFT project. Joining the Discord is how you will stay informed when to buy, where to buy, more facts about the project, as well as get more opportunities to get whitelisted and meet other people who are also invested. That's it for today's video though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.